So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to flip text horizontal in a Keynote presentation. So once you open up Keynote for this example here, I'm just going to go ahead and add a new slide, just a blank slide right here. I'm then going to go ahead and add some text right here. I'm going to type in the word horizontal, and I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So once that is done and you want to flip the text horizontally, it's pretty straightforward. I want you to press on the text right here. I want you to go to the top to where it says arrange. I want you to press on arrange. Once you're here, where it says rotate, I want you to go ahead and hover over top of this where it'll say flip the object horizontally. If you flip this over just like this, it'll actually flip the thing over horizontally just like that. So very straightforward, very simple, but that's how to flip text horizontal on a Keynote presentation. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.